Here is RJ playing. Okay, we're done shopping. There is the Best Buy behind. There's the Best Buy. There is Best Buy. We here now Best Buy. Look at that Best Buy. How many people there? Okay guys, we here now in Best Buy. We look at now microphone here. Okay, I want to show you guys. Look at that microphone.
Oh, do you want?
My God. Wow, what's that?
Yeah, but it plugs into the camera.
The plug.
So you can only move like this much. Let's get a 100-foot cord going through the house.
Oh, how much that? USB. 129, my God.
That's this.
This so big. Yep. That is
Testing
129.
1, 2, 3. Are we on? Are we on?
There is $49.99
Think you'd use that?
and that is $69.99, $129. There is so expensive. And here is $129. There is, yeah. What you doing, RJ? That's a mouse, RJ. It's a mouse. On? Wow.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3. It has a green day on 2.
Wow, nice,
So I
RJ.
push this,
Yep.
switches to 1.
Wow, so cool.
But what I
What
do
is
it-
the
And also there's the other one.
Logitech? Logitech.
Cloud gaming. Comes with a headset.
Yeah.
Like it's like so you get on the internet and playing against other people.
Yeah. There's the speaker here. Speaker.
Nothing about YouTube on it.
We try this one. $19.99. Okay guys, we decide that snowball we buy in Amazon, and we not buy that $19 because it's no good review, and we just buy in Amazon guys. Okay, bye bye, that's it. Camera. There's the other camera here. This is the big camera.
Mommy, I need a bit. Here.
And there is the gimbal. Expensive this gimbal, though. This gimbal, look at this. $299, almost $300.
Mom,
Here's the gimbal, honey. Gimbal. Gimbal of big camera. Come here. And here is the GoPro here. There is the GoPro, $349.99.
Are you ready to go?
Wait. There is the other camera here. There is the Sony. Is this Sony? What's this camera? The Sony 5100. That. $449. And this is the Sony 6000. This and this the Sony 6400. $6,400 mirrorless, $1,299. Here is RJ playing. What you play, RJ?
Nothing. It doesn't work.
Ah, it's not working. No good that. It's the TV.
I have those.
Look at the TV.
QLED.
Wow, so big. Look at that, RJ. See? Okay, enough now, enough. Look at that, RJ. See? See the TV, RJ. Wow, 1,000. There is RJ. QLED, there is.
65 inch.
Where is QLED 8K?
8K.
There.
I know, I see that already. I thought we were just
Look at
coming out
that.
with 4K. Now they got 8K.
Yep. From 8K now. High tech. There is QLED. That there.
You want this?
Big RJ. For gaming.
Same remote? It'll be
Look
extra.
at that RJ. Yeah. So big.
This one for
Oh
RJ's
my
room?
goodness.
No, put this in bonus room upstairs. The smart TV.
Look at that. So big
Watch
RJ.
YouTube up there. Want it? How much is it?
My God. 75 inches that, Hannah.
It's 2,700.
Oh, 82 inches. My God.
2,700.
Yep.
It's QLED. Stop along.
My God. Yeah. Look at that price.
Look at this. Over there.
$26.99.
Look over there.
Yeah, wow. It's so nice, RJ. You change the color? RJ? Oh, have trim. Look at that. Nice. See?
This is to get real close. See the pixels?
My God.
Rock.
Look at that, RJ.
So much broccoli.
So much, bro. Oh, what's that, RJ?
Turtle.
Turtle.
You see it?
Have 3.
It's just a demo
Yep.
video.
Oh, look at that,
They're
RJ.
inside the building.
It's a drone taking pictures.
That TV is so big. My goodness. Yep.
Where that game?
Other TV there.
Like this game? Fallout. 43-inch QLED.
Yep.
$429.
Okay, bye-bye. Oh, you have a Roblox toys? Okay, we're done. Shopping. There is the Best Buy behind. Okay, we go inside. Hi guys. Okay, we're going to restaurant now. We buy a food.
And I
Just take out.
am eating gummies.
You have gummies, RJ?
Yes.
You like that? Gummies?
The cold fruit snacks. I mean.
Yeah, fruit snacks.
Gummies.
Gummies.
Look how I eat.
Oh, where you going, Daddy, now? You're going to Costa Vida? Ano?
I'm looking. I'm just
Oh,
looking around.
I think you go to Costa Vida. There is Costa Vida.
These gummies. So yummy. Gummy yummy.
Yep.
Right.
And there is the
Does it
Panda Express there, and there is the Costa Vida in the last. Subway, Verizon there. What you like? Chick-fil-A, Daddy? We hungry now. We hungry.
I'm hungry with
And there is the
gummy.
view.
I'm hungry.
There is Costa
Yeah, it's the
Vida.
only place I can find pork.
Okay.
Oh,
No, have
can't
cup.
park illegally now.
And you hit,
What?
honey. Huh?
I hit? Did I
Hey,
hit?
go. No.
I hit?
No, be careful. Look like before. This is so fast. And
It's a dead
there
end,
is
If
Costa
somebody parks
Vida.
next to me, I won't be able to get out. You know?
There is RJ and Daddy by Costa Vida. And there is RJ. And there is the food. Bye.
You eating it?
What you eat, RJ?
Gummies.
What's that?
We got burgers at home, right?
Gummies.
You know?
Yeah, only 3.
Oh, so we need burgers too, then, right?
There's RJ eating gummies. Okay, we go now. There's the train station there. And there is the Chick-fil-A there.
Let's take your sunglasses, put them in the back.
Chick-fil-A. Have in my head. There is the flag. Because it's Memorial Day today.
Yeah, and that's why I got gummies.
Cafe Rio. Cafe Rio there. It's Cafe Rio.
We have to-
Play.
Yeah.
What's
Yep.
that, Shadow?
What's that there? The building now there.
Steaks are in.
Yeah.
Any signs?
I
What are
don't
they
know.
making?
I'll ask them at the drive-thru.
No, go inside.
There is
No, I'm not going
McDonald's. We go in drive-thru.
Do a
McDonald's.
sign up? Oh, that's like by us, assisted living.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look like the same. What's RJ?
The lights on in the camera.
Yeah, it's okay. There he is, RJ.
I got water for you.
They want to get 6 hamburgers,
You drinking water, RJ?
all plain. Make them all plain.
Okay. RJ drinking water.
And 1 large fry. And that's it. Oh, which Happy Meal toys do you have?